Today's topic is simply good. Welcome to a new episode of Cooking with Spirit. Simply good. Duck hearts with green salad. What's nice today, it doesn't get more purist than this. A little olive oil in the pan. And then cut the duck hearts lengthwise, not crosswise, so that you have a butterfly shape, and then put the hearts in the pan. And now, of course, it's truly and deeply all about the emotional experience of feeling, are the hearts cooked too long? Are they tough? If they are not cooked long enough, they won't be done. We will try to get it right with feeling and a bit of experience. By the way, the Curran family is well fed. They not only have excellent distillates, but also an agricultural job where they raise ducks, geese, and chickens, or often fattening them up. And everything that has to do with hearts, chicken liver, and a lot more. I get that from Coensin Dulsac. Let's look, I'm already getting a bit of color. What I have prepared is a green salad. I like to use Calamansi vinegar because it's very, very fresh. And of course, olive oil, a little salt. We can start plating that up. First, the salad. Let's see what the hearts are doing. And what's also nice, the hearts always have a little piece of fat with them. The fat has an incredible flavor. Of course, you can also clean the hearts better if you want, but it's up to each person how they prepare it. How he prepares it or prepared. What I also really like to do, I'm making a special sauce. In some episode, I'll show you how to make this sauce. It's more or less a bit Asian inspired with soy sauce. If you let the finished heart soak in this sauce again, it's a whole different thing. But today we're just doing it with salt and only with olive oil. By the way, I was once in the Camargue with my wife Barbara. We were in a guest house, a liter bottle of red wine, and then also duck hearts. I think the ducks have just been slaughtered. I think we waited 1 or 2 hours for the hearts. The food was just amazing. Purist, just like I'm preparing it now. The only problem was there was a liter bottle of wine on the table and it was gone. And the second liter, was almost gone after the 2 hours too. But it was an experience. One, it takes a little longer. If you're not sure, you might want to take a little piece out. Trying the whole thing to see if it fits, whether it's too soft or too hard. But it's ideal today if it's still just slightly pink on the inside. Pink. Then we will make the whole wonderful salt. With us, there's only more salt. In different countries, from fleur de sel to regular salt, iodized, non-iodized, whether it's Himalayan, whatever. But we also have high quality salts, just like we have high quality oils. And what we use for that, for example, when you're in Camargue or when you're in the Rascon area, a lot of cooking is done with garlic. Rascon is in the Amanjak area, a lot of cooking is done with garlic. And to replace garlic, I chose ginger today. This is a ginger spirit from Palenländer. And with the ginger spirit, I'm going to jazz the whole thing up again. Jazz it up, give it a touch. Then I would say it's being plated. Now it's a few dream pieces. And it's actually not much work. You just have to get the hearts there. You have to take the heart. To get these hearts, then we just take the spray. Fantastic. And where it definitely shouldn't be missing, small shot, olive oil, so that everything runs smoothly. Have fun cooking and see you next time. Cooking with Spirit with Wolfram Rotner. Hello?